Whether you're a fashion designer, photographer, or simply someone who loves taking photos, today's video will be incredibly useful for you. We'll explore an AI tool that offers amazing experiences and limitless creativity. With just a few simple steps, you can change the outfits of characters in photos, try various styles, and create impressive images. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get started right away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on our exciting upcoming videos. Now, let's dive into this AI tool. Check the video description for a link to this powerful free tool. Let's explore the incredibly simple and user-friendly interface of this website. Allow me to guide you through it. On the main interface, you will see 3 empty boxes. The first box: upload an image of a character or use the available samples. The second box: upload the outfit image you want to apply or choose from the available outfit samples. The final box: this is where the system will display the result. After processing, the tool will automatically outline and change the outfit of the character. Now, let's see how it works. First, I'll use a character image from the available samples. Next, I'll select an outfit sample from the system and check Yes in the Use Auto-Generated Mask section. Now, scroll down and click on Try On. All that's left is to wait for the system to process, which won't take long to get the result. As you can see, I've successfully changed the outfit of this girl. Now, I'll try it again. But this time, I'll use a character image from my device instead of the available system samples. I'll upload both the character and outfit images from my personal device. As you can see, the tool works just as well. A key note: to get the best results, you need to provide character images with a minimum size of 1616 x 2256 pixels. Now, let's talk about how to make money using this method. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags without managing inventory. You just design and list the product, and Printify will handle printing and shipping when an order is placed. Now, sit back and I'll guide you on how to create a Printify account and open your own store on this platform. I'll also show you how to create unique designs to start your money-making journey. First, visit printify.com, then click Sign Up and enter your email and password. On the next page, Printify will ask you a few questions. Just answer them truthfully. Once registered successfully, to create a new store, click on My New Store and select Add a New Store. Choose Printify pop-up on the next page. Name your store and select your country. Printify will automatically provide your store URL with the printify.me domain. Click Next to proceed. In the Store Info tab, you can upload your store logo. In the Customize Store tab, you can select a free template for your store's interface. Now, let's create your first design for your store. If you're not familiar with design, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to create unique designs. To do this, we need a text-to-image conversion tool. Ideogram AI is a great choice for this. Once you've successfully registered, enter a prompt like a whimsical and enchanting illustration of Ideogram AI featuring a charming ladybug with a mischievous smile. The ladybug is riding an electric scooter adorned with vibrant, colorful patterns. The scooter's design is a perfect blend of nature and technology, with leaves and flowers intertwined with sleek, futuristic frames. The ladybug's name is elegantly written in beautiful font, while the scooter's name is in bold, modern font. The overall illustration exudes creativity, playfulness, and the adventurous spirit of the ladybug. Then, select a 1:1 image ratio and click Generate. The system will automatically create images for you. As you can see, the system has generated 4 impressive images. Download these images to your device. Now, return to Printify and start designing your first product. To do this, go to the left menu and select Catalog. For example, I'll choose to design a women's t-shirt. I'll select a best-selling model and click Start Designing. Then, upload the image created by the AI tool and adjust the design accordingly. Then save it. You can also see the profit you will earn from each order. Next, I'll download this design to my device. Then, go back to the AI tool, change the outfit, and upload the newly designed t-shirt. Click Try On and wait for the result. So, we've successfully changed the outfit to the new design. Now, you can use this image to promote your Printify store. If you don't want to use the available model images, I'll show you how to create your own AI model images. First, visit Leonardo AI. Enter the following prompt: a striking fashion image of a trendy model wearing a bold patterned t-shirt with a modern edge. Her confident pose exudes sharpness and urban chic, as if she is ready to conquer the streets. She's surrounded by an upscale urban backdrop with graffiti-decorated walls and classic neon signs, creating a cool, contemporary vibe. The image captures the essence of urban fashion, blending city characteristics with high-end style. Then, click Generate. With just a few simple steps, you will have fashionable model images created by AI. You can download these images and change their outfits with the t-shirt designs you created on Printify. Finally, upload these images to Instagram. Return to your Printify store, copy the store link, and paste it into your Instagram post. Another effective tip for reaching more people with your Instagram account is to create short videos. I'll show you how to create AI model dance videos. To do this, you will need the support of another AI tool. The AI tool I want to introduce to you is Viggle AI. Visit Viggle AI and click Try on Web to get started. On the right frame, simply upload the AI model image. In the left frame, you can choose to upload your own sample video or use the available video library. Then click Create, and you will see a dancing AI model video appear before your eyes. Now, you can download this video and share it on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok to promote your Printify store impressively. Alright, I'll wrap up the video here. I hope you enjoyed it and had a great experience. Thanks for watching.